This is MJ Market, also known as Muazzam Jahi Market, one of the well-known landmarks in Hyderabad. It is known for its architectural design, the clock tower, and famous ice cream. But it's not any random marketplace, it had a purpose. To know that, we have to go back in time to understand why it exists the way it does.
మా పేరు సందీప్ సింగ్ నేను మార్కెట్లో 30 ఇయర్స్ అయిపోయింది మార్కెట్. మా పరదాదా నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి 75 ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత బ్యాక్ టీ పీడీస్ మా పరదాదా మా డాడీ మేము ఎప్పుడు చేస్తాం వర్క్ చేస్తాం.
In the heart of Hyderabad, amidst the bustling streets and timeless traditions, stands a monument that has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, Muazzam Jahi Market. This iconic structure is more than just a marketplace. It is a living testament to the city's rich cultural tapestry and architectural brilliance.
Of this structure, we call it as Indo-Saracenic. How? Because we see the Mughal influence, we see the influence of Qutub Shahis and Asad Zahi dynasties in these architecture. We have arches. We have pointed arches that are used in Qutub Shahi architecture as well.
The year was 1935. Hyderabad, under the reign of the 7th Nizam, Mir Osman Ali Khan, was flourishing. A ruler known for his vision and generosity, he sought to modernize his kingdom while preserving its heritage. It was during this time that Muazzam Jahi Market was born, named after his beloved son, Prince Muazzam Jah. The market, crafted from sturdy granite, was designed in a blend of Art Deco and Indo-Saracenic styles. Its clock tower stood as a beacon, marking the passage of time in a city brimming with life.
What makes this site more interesting is the use of material what is here. This rubble masonry, the coarse rubble masonry, as in we have proper shaped form of the stone. It's not random, it's a proper coarse masonry. We have defined as in full cut form of stones stacked above each other, use of cement neatly. So material also makes a difference in the surrounding feel as well as the surrounding, because it supports it structurally as well as it gives an aesthetic view. Because you can't use a white marble at a place which doesn't require a white marble. It's a market and it works. It's granite stone works very well for this setting.
Muazzam Jahi Market quickly became the heart of Hyderabad's trade. It was a vibrant hub where merchants sold everything from fresh produce and fragrant flowers to spices and meat. But beyond commerce, it became a gathering place, a spot where life thrived and connections were made. And then there was the ice cream, a legacy that endures to this day.
फेमस आइसक्रीम स्टैब्लिश इन 1951 में स्टार्ट हुआ था. तो हमारे यहाँ की जैसे मशहूर आइसक्रीम हैदराबाद की जो कहते हैं आप उसको, तो हम लोग ज़्यादातर नेचुरल आइसक्रीम्स जो हमारा देसी है उसकी तरह से जाने आते हैं. नेचुरल फ्रूट आइसक्रीम जो बनती है हमारे यहाँ पर, हैंडमेड आइसक्रीम जिसको कहते हैं, तो वो हैदराबाद में बहुत पसंद से खाते हैं लोग. हैदराबाद में बहुत पसंद है हैंडमेड आइसक्रीम, उस वजह से फेमस आइसक्रीम.
Shops like famous ice cream turned the market into a destination for flavors that delighted generations. But as the years went by, the market began to fade. Neglect and the passage of time took their toll.
So this structure took 2 years for construction, and the recent restoration of this structure that was done here was done during the previous government time period between 2019 to 2021.
Restoration like now?
So what you see today here, it is cleaned up. Okay, so what happened was there was algae there was fungal growth, there was dirt accumulated on the stone, and there was water leakages from the ceiling inside the shops. Okay, so all these 120 shops that you have here, they had problems, as in because think about it, that it has been a time period of 60 years. The structure which was created for the shopping as a shopping complex because it was directly near the Nampalli. So people from there to here, they'll come and it is in between.
The grandeur of Mozamjahi market seemed to be a relic of the past. Recognizing its historical significance, the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation took action. In 2019, a meticulous restoration project breathed new life into this iconic structure. Every detail was carefully revived, ensuring that the market's essence was preserved for future generations.
हैदराबाद में सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल चार मीनार है, गोलकुंडा फोर्ट है, सालारजंग म्यूज़ियम वगैरह है और अपने रामोजी फिल्म सिटी भी है। जैसा मौजमजाही मार्केट बोलकर एक प्लेस है, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। किस लिए फेमस है? यहाँ पर आपको आइसक्रीम मिलेगा, आपको हैंडमेड, और उसके अलावा अत्तर का शॉप्स मिलेगा यहाँ पर आपको, और उसके अलावा तीसरा जो है फ्रूट मार्केट है।
Today, Mozamjahi Market stands as a bridge between Hyderabad's glorious past and its dynamic present. It is a place where history whispers through its walls and where the city's spirit comes alive in every corner. Whether you come to shop, to savor, or simply to marvel, Mozamjahi Market is not just a destination, it's an experience, a timeless tale etched in granite that continues to inspire all who visit.